Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking MIUI and storage so the live wallpaper runs smoothly. Once done, make sure you already downloaded the live wallpaper file or installed an app that provides one. Now, press and hold an empty area on the home screen or open Settings and tap Wallpaper. This launches the selection UI. You do this to access both system and third-party sources, so you can pick local files or app-provided animations. Proceed when the wallpaper picker is visible. You next pick the Live Wallpapers tab or open the app that contains your chosen animation. Tap the wallpaper to load its preview. Use this step to assess motion, brightness, and any potential battery drain. Make sure to crop and position the image if the option appears, and select whether it applies to home screen, lock screen, or both. Once satisfied, look for Set Wallpaper or Apply. This commits the choice. If the preview stutters, lower animation quality or choose a lighter variant. You finish by tapping Set or Apply and confirming whether the wallpaper goes to the home screen, lock screen, or both. After applying, navigate home to verify smooth playback and correct positioning. If it fails to appear, reboot the phone, reopen the wallpaper picker, and try again. Also clear the wallpaper or system UI cache via settings if available. One key troubleshooting tip: disable battery saver or check for conflicting live wallpaper apps, because power restrictions often prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.